Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to edit this picture in Affinity Photo and some color tweaks. So let's start with it. I feel that overall exposure is little low. Let me increase it a tiny bit. Yep. Black point is fine, but let's try this. Okay. Yeah. Overall it feels fine. This is like a Lightroom, but for the general editing. Over here you can see different thing you can edit: tone, split toning, overlay. This is a mini version of Lightroom, you can say. Develop. This is the image right now. Okay, let's just start with the curves first. I'm going for the generalized curve, highlighting this waterfall as well as the subject. I got this picture from signatureedit.com. So signature edits, that's a site where you can get some pretty good raw photos and you can test out your editing skills, or you can practice your editing skills. Yeah, Eska, this is fine. Now I am going directly for the HSL. I am popping up the yellow color, increasing saturation, little bit lightness, and changing the hue to little more yellowish kind. Yeah, I am also increasing the overall reds. Yeah, this is before, this is after. And this is before, this is after. So now I am changing the green color. Let me pick up the green color first and changing it to cyan first. Yep. And this has created weird artifact over here. So I can just erase it. Or this is a kind of mask. So black color and remove it from the bottom part. Increase the flow and just quickly remove all the unnecessary green stuff. Yeah, that's about it. Alright. Before, after. And I also want to duplicate this and create one more type of color variation. And in this, I am going for yellowish greenish kind of look. Okay, no, not the yellow is fine. I want to change the grass color to this yellow. And I want to increase the lightness of it. Yep. Same thing over here. And I think I can change the color of this as well. Yep. Not the orange, but the yellowish kind of. As you can see, this also changed the waterfall. And I want to retain the little whitish kind of tone on the waterfall, so I am just quickly going to remove it. So 20. Okay, now I can see the waterfall is kind of blue. Let me quickly change the let me quickly correct the white balance. I forgot to correct the white balance. Yep. Yes. Now it looks fine. This type 1, and yeah, I need to change the color of it now. This is now quite greenish. I want little cyan type color. Reduce the saturation. Yes. Same thing over here. Reduce the saturation. And let's just pick the top one as well. Go cyan. Reduce the saturation, increase the little bit of lightness. It's still a little greenish. Yeah, somewhat around here. I can see the dark green part of it as well as the light green part also. Let me adjust the curve a little bit also. Yeah, before the after curves. Alright, now let's add vignette. Where's the vignette? Here you go. On the top, increase the scale, reduce the exposure, reduce the hardness, change the shape, little bit more hardness. Yeah, then I'm going to remove the vignette from this side because I like the whitish glow on this end. Okay, the bottom part is little dark. Let me increase up a little bit. Yes. Before, after. Now I add. Now let's add the another curve. Change the overall look. I want to increase the highlights as much as possible. Create a good looking contrast. Yep. Now I am going to remove it from the waterfall because I like the waterfall. This is quite bright. I am going to remove it from this edge as well on the grass, and I like it on the bottom part and this end. I want to create a contrast between the light and the dark. reduces on the corners especially. Yeah, overall I'm liking this image, and I don't think I need to edit it anymore. So let's just add the unsharp mask. Basically it sharpens up the whole image, and let's just tweak it a little bit. Yeah, so let's go for before. This is before and this is after. Okay, I've turned on all the hue and saturation. So this is on the darkest tone and this is on the lighter tone. It depends on you what color you like. So this is going to be a thumbnail. That's it for this video. So thanks for joining in, and I will meet you on the next video. Until then, bye bye.